Kamala Harris, the first female vice president of the United States, boasts a diverse heritage that includes significant Jamaican roots through her father, Donald Jasper Harris. Born on August 23, 1938, in Brownstown, a town in Jamaica's northern coast, Donald Harris would later become an influential economist and professor at Stanford University. Brownstown is a historic town known for its vibrant market and rich cultural heritage. It is a community that has thrived on agriculture and trade, reflecting the hard work and resilience of its residents. Donald Harris's parents, Beryl Christie and Oscar Joseph Harris, were integral members of this community. Beryl was a dedicated schoolteacher while Oscar worked as a land surveyor and agricultural economist, contributing to the development of the local agricultural sector. Kamala's grandparents instilled in Donald a strong work ethic and the importance of education, values that he passed down to Kamala and her sister Maya. Beryl and Oscar emphasized the importance of contributing positively to society, a principle that has clearly influenced Kamala's career in public service. Kamala's mother, Shyamala Gopalan, was an Indian-American cancer researcher and civil rights activist, adding another layer of cultural richness to Kamala's upbringing. Despite the blend of cultures, Kamala's Jamaican heritage played a crucial role in shaping her worldview. She often speaks about her visits to Jamaica, where she connected with her extended family and experienced the vibrant culture and traditions of the island. Kamala's rise to the vice presidency is a testament to the values instilled in her by her Jamaican and Indian heritage. Her story is one of perseverance, resilience, and a commitment to justice, qualities that she attributes to the teachings of her parents and grandparents. As she continues to break barriers and serve as a role model for future generations, Kamala Harris remains deeply connected to her roots in Brownstown, Jamaica, honoring the legacy of her family and the community that helped shape her. Vice President Kamala Harris announced her intention to seek the Democratic nomination after President Joe Biden ended his re-election campaign and endorsed her. This has set up a potential historic bid for the first Black woman and first Asian Jamaican to lead a major political party ticket. I am honored to have the president's endorsement, and my intention is to earn and win this nomination, Harris said in a statement shared on X. I will do everything in my power to unite the Democratic Party and unite our nation to defeat Donald Trump and his Extreme Project 2025 agenda, Harris continued. Other celebrities with Jamaican heritage has fully endorsed Kamala Harris. Example: Cheryl Lee Ralph, who posted on her X profile that she's in support of Kamala. Kerry Washington, who is also of Jamaican heritage, did the same on her X profile. Let us all see how another person of Jamaican heritage can have a great impact on the world.